In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to sign up for a GoDaddy account. GoDaddy is one of the largest domain name registrars and web hosting companies, and having an account with them can give you access to scores of services that can take your online presence to the next level. The very first step to creating your GoDaddy account begins by going to the GoDaddy website. When you open the site, your eyes should be immediately drawn to the top right corner of the welcoming page. Here you will find and click on a simple two-word command that reads, "Sign in." Having performed this click will redirect you to a new page. On this page, look for a section marked New Customer. Within this particular area, there is an option that reads, Create My Account. Go ahead and select it. Notably, GoDaddy provides you with alternatives for signing up that might make the process smoother. If you'd like, you can opt to sign up using your Facebook account, Google account, or even your existing email account. Making use of these options eliminates the need to remember another username or password. Now, assuming you decide to create a new account from scratch, you will be required to fill in several fields. First up, your first and last name. These should be your real names as they will assist in the identification of your account. The next field to complete is the email address. Other than the username, this is an important identifier for your account and is where all communication related to your account will be sent. The fourth and fifth fields are for your chosen username and password. Now at this stage, it's key to ensure you create a unique and strong password. A strong password further fortifies the security of your account, keeping it safe from unauthorized access. Having filled all the necessary fields, you are now at the point of creating your account. You achieve this with a final click on the Create Account button. That singular click triggers an automated process where a verification email is sent to the email address that you provided during registration. Promptly check your email. The email from GoDaddy should contain a verification code. This code helps to authenticate your sign-up process and confirm your email account. Return back to the GoDaddy site and enter this verification code. Completion of these steps finally confirms your account creation, and you will be ready to explore and enjoy the wide array of services that GoDaddy provides. Congratulations on your new GoDaddy account. I trust that this step-by-step tutorial has been helpful and has guided you smoothly through the GoDaddy account sign-up process.